I was using 4 skeins, and if you just follow my tutorial and knit along with me, and if you want to get this nice, very nice straight line and clean side of this shawl or scarf. Nice straight edges on both sides. Okay, let's get started. To knit this scarf, I'm using size 11 8mm needles, and my yarn is super chunky, weight 6. To start, let's cast on 26. I have 26 stitches cast on. So to have a nice edging, I will not knit the first one, but slide on my another needle and then knit 1 and purl 1. And this is going to be my pattern. I knit 1 and then I purl 1 again. Insert into that stitch, knit. Now move that yarn into this side, insert into that and purl. Move that yarn into this side once I want to purl, and then purl. Continue like this with 1 knit stitch, then move the yarn into this side and purl. Knit and purl. Continue to the end. So I'm finishing my row. And now I finished with knit stitch. I just turn my work. So I have this, again, I just slide on my another needle, the yarn in front. And now I have this, from this side it seems it's knit, but it was purl actually. But because I have knit, so I now purl that stitch. So I basically, I purl the one that I have knit and knit the one that I have purl. So I have knit this from this side. So I just insert, I will insert, I can insert this way or I can go and insert that way. So if I go this way and purl my stitch, it will not be twisted, but I'll go ahead and insert, and I want that twisted. I like that twisted, but it is up to you how you want to insert. So I'll go into that middle and just knit like this, and it's kind of twisted and it's fine. And now I insert into the middle. This is purl from this side, and I insert into the middle and I knit, and I will be inserting into the middle. It's kind of going to be twisted, and which I like, and I want that to be. So I'm inserting into the middle. This is knit, and I want to purl now. So I purl, and now insert into the middle. This is purl, so I'll knit. And continue like this. The one that I have knit, I purl, and the one that I have purl, I will knit. And this is basically the pattern, very easy for beginners. This yarn is super chunky, and this scarf goes fast. Knit. Now this is purl, insert, and purl. And continue like this the entire row. So I turn the work. From this side I have knit, so I keep my yarn on the other side. Don't go this way, don't twist in front, because this is knit. You want to have the yarn on the other side. And now slide off this first one on the other needle, and do not knit or purl, just slide it, but you have the yarn on the other side. Now I have purl, so I will knit. I have now knit stitch, so I purl. I have purl, I will knit, and I have knit, I will purl. And continue like this for the entire scarf. You purl and you knit. And I'm finishing the row, purl, and then knit. Turn the work, and I have yarn on this side and slide it on the other needle. And now I purl this. And then knit, and continue just like this. With this pattern. I have 4 skeins. Used 4 skeins for this scarf, and this scarf is 76 long and approximately 10 inches wide, and 76 inches long. Scarf or shawl. Okay, and now this is my last row. I knit the last row, and I have knitted until I have just a little left. And to finish this scarf, I remove the first one, and very nice edging. You get very nice edging following that knitting. Very nice, clean and straight. Okay, last row. Remove the first. Now I will have purl stitch, and now take the first one I just bring like this through that second. Now this was pearl. I need that stitch. Remove from my needle, and now take that, the first one, and bring like this through. Pearl. Take that stitch and bring it through. Knit and continue like this to the end. Do not make it tight, just nice and easy. Very nice finishing. Continue like this across the row. Last stitch, and I just pull this through and hide the ends. And this is done. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take care.